We all face roadblocks at work, in our businesses, and in our personal lives. The difference between feeling stuck and moving forward is often just a simple framework. I'm excited to share Citrus, an AI-powered thinking engine I developed to help tackle everyday challenges. From high-level business strategies to managing your daily tasks more effectively, Citrus breaks down problems into actionable steps. Why use it? For business, identify the real truth behind market challenges. For work, solve office bottlenecks and improve team output. For life, make better personal decisions and boost daily productivity. It's simple, powerful, and now available for you to use. Download the Citrus method and start using the AI engine today to turn your ideas into reality.